India's startup ecosystem is robust, with multiple schemes aimed at strengthening India's self-sufficiency. Today on Polnomics, we take a trip down memory lane and see how India's startup ecosystem has evolved and what major government schemes have propelled this surge. Take a look.
The past decade has witnessed a remarkable surge in India's startup ecosystem. The number of tech companies has skyrocketed to 122,000 by 2023, with a peak year in 2020 seeing over 16,000 new additions. This growth has been fueled by several factors, including increased internet penetration, digitization initiatives, and a supportive government. Funding has also played a crucial role in this success story. Despite facing challenges in 2023, overall investment remained strong, with a total of $8.4 billion infused into Indian startups. Looking at specific sectors, we see fintech, retail and enterprise applications leading the pack. Additionally, a commitment to deep tech and R&D focused startups has seen steady growth, with a total investment of $6.73 billion over the past decade. Beyond established sectors, India's startup landscape is witnessing the rise of exciting new industries. Space tech, fueled by its recent privatization, has registered a surge in funding, reaching $115 million in 2022 and $122 million in 2023. Artificial intelligence and electric vehicles are also attracting significant investments, with the EV industry receiving a total of $4.8 billion over the past 10 years. Geographically, Bengaluru continues to reign supreme as the undisputed startup hub. The city has attracted $70.4 billion in funding over a decade. However, the story is not limited to metros. Several non-metropolitan areas are also emerging as centers for innovation. Jaipur stands out as a leader in fintech funding, securing $214 million in 2023. The role of women entrepreneurs is another noteworthy aspect. Women-led startups have witnessed a significant increase in funding, reaching $1.1 billion in 2023, a jump from $0.456 billion in 2014. The Indian government has actively supported the startup ecosystem through a range of initiatives. Some of the major schemes include Startup India Initiative and Startup India Seed Fund Scheme. Schemes like credit guarantees for startups offer credit to small-scale startups. Similarly, schemes like Atal Innovation Mission strive to build incubation centers across the country. These schemes, along with others, have played a vital role in nurturing and empowering Indian startups. By providing financial assistance, infrastructure support, and a conducive regulatory environment, the government is fostering a vibrant startup ecosystem that is driving economic growth and innovation. Bureau Report, WION World is One.
For latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.